Hello guys, welcome back to the YouTube. I think you all have watched the two videos. One was we can use Excel in the phone. Is there same features? And second was about home section. Today we are going to see insert section. How to use insert section. Okay, what features are there in the insert section? Same features is there which you have saw in the laptop, yeah, computer. Now see, there is a table. Now you want to make any table, like I will take any column, like I want this 3-column table. Then I will click the table and the table will be ready. Now see, they have written key column table has the headers. Okay, I want the table's headers. Headers means, see, this is the headers where we write a name, student name, date and all. Okay, headings we give. So see, they have told this is the column 1, this is the column 2, yes or no. Now you want in insert left, yeah, right. You want to delete the rows, yeah, you want to insert below, it is there. I don't want anything, so I will click like this. You can write anything here. Okay, so this was, see, if you click insert and table, then directly you will go to the table section. Going next, data from picture. Now okay, so data and picture means you can bring any picture and put in this table. It's okay, it's possible, but this feature is not working in phone, in Samsung phones. My the phone is just not working, so I cannot give this explanation. Now what is the pictures? Now in this picture you want to stick any picture here, then you have to click the picture and stick here. For example, so I click the picture and you will see photo, yeah, camera. If you want to click camera and click photo and put here, it's okay, you can do. Otherwise you can click directly photos. You will find many photos. I will click this photo and done. See, the photo is came and they are asking you size to do proper. You can do it. So I am using in phone, so it is little bit difficult, but it easy also. So this is the photo I selected. Now photo done. Now they are asking you want pictures effects, like you want to show shadow, then you can show. You want reflections, then you can show, yeah, no reflections. I want reflections. I want shadow also, you can click it. Then style, you can do picture styles also. You want this way picture, then you can click this way. You want to arrange something, then you can arrange. You want to crop the picture, you can. You want to make a size proper, then you can give the size of the picture, or you can alter the text. See, I have clicked insert and picture, directly they came a picture section automatically. Shapes means you want to bring any shapes picture, you can bring here and stick anywhere if you want. You can give any shade, color, fill color, outline. You want to make size proper, many more. Same here. Text box, you want any text box, you can click and you can write anything and place anywhere you want. Okay, yes. Then recommunicated charts are like you can bring columns, pie, bar, area and many more are there in the features. Comments, you want any comment box, then you can bring here. Okay, like hi,